Get ready with me while I tell you some things I wish I knew when I was a teenager. Do not let peer pressure get the best of you, because 9 times out of 10, it will never affect you socially and you're probably going to regret it anyways. The things that your high school teachers are telling you about college professors, for the most part, aren't even true. The whole college professors will never let this slide. I can guarantee you they probably will let it slide, and a whole bunch more. Speaking of school, I promise you that one bad grade in biology is not going to affect your whole future. No guy is worth losing the respect of your parents. I cannot begin to tell you the amount of arguments I've had with my parents over boys, and at the end of the day, it's not worth it, and they're just trying to protect you. Speaking of boys, do not stress over your high school relationship. A lot of the times in high school, we're kind of experiencing our first love, and we always think it's gonna be forever. And sometimes it can be, I'm not gonna deny that, but majority of the times you are just experiencing your first love, and it can be hard to let go of that. But in the end, it's totally okay to branch out. I hope I was able to help some of you girls out.